So, what if I told you that you could build an entire, powerful lead generation system for your business and do it with completely free AI tools? Well, today we're breaking down exactly how. We're going to use real estate as our case study to show you how to create a massive competitive edge, and you can start literally right after this.
You gotta hear this quote, because it really is the key to understanding the shift that's happening right now. It's not about technology coming in and replacing people. No, it's about the people who leverage technology replacing those who don't. This right here is the new competitive landscape.
You know, for most of us professionals, the biggest challenge is just the daily grind, right? The administrative work, the content creation, all those endless, time-sucking tasks that pull you away from what you actually love doing. You know, connecting with clients and building relationships. That's the exact problem we're solving today.
And this is where it gets really interesting, when you compare the old way with the AI way. I mean, the old way meant hiring assistants, spending a ton on overhead, and basically making big decisions based on guesswork. The contrast is just stark. With the AI way, you've got automated workflows, insane efficiency, data-driven decisions, and you're doing it all with little to no cost. It's an unbelievable amount of leverage.
So the solution here is to stop thinking about these as just software. Think of them as your own personal, on-demand virtual team. A team that doesn't need vacation time, never complains, and is ready to get to work 24/7. So, let's meet the team.
All right, first up, let's meet Manas. This is your data analyst, and honestly, this is your secret weapon. Instead of just guessing what content you should create, Manas does the deep research for you. It tells you exactly what topics, what keywords, what trends your ideal clients are searching for online right now. This data, it's the foundation for everything that comes next.
Okay, so once Manas gives you that gold mine of data, what do you do with it? Well, you hand it over to your strategist, ChatGPT. This is the brain of the whole operation. You feed it that raw research from Manas, and it builds out a complete, step-by-step marketing plan. We're talking a full 90-day content calendar, video scripts, lead magnets, you name it. It turns that raw data into a brilliant strategy.
Okay, strategy is locked in. Now for the creative execution. Meet Gamma, your designer. Instead of waiting weeks and paying a graphic designer, you just take the text from ChatGPT, you paste it into Gamma, and in less than 60 seconds, boom, you get a professionally designed, beautifully branded PDF. This one tool will instantly save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars.
And what about when you get stuck? You know, the tech stuff? That's where Gemini Studio comes in as your tech assistant. So if you get stuck setting up a CRM or maybe creating a Facebook ad, you just share your screen and ask it for help. It will literally walk you through the entire process, click by click, in real time. No more waiting days for tech support. It's incredible.
Okay, so you've met the team. Pretty powerful, right? But now, let's put them to work. Because this isn't just a collection of cool tools, it's a simple, repeatable system that ties them all together into a powerful lead generation engine.
Look, the whole playbook really just boils down to this super simple three-step loop. First, research. You use data to find out exactly what your clients are looking for. Second, create. You instantly generate the content and the assets they actually want. And third, convert. You automate personalized follow-up to turn that interest into real action. Research, create, convert. That's the entire system.
So let's make this real. Here's exactly how it all works together. Let's say Mattis finds that people moving to Austin are all searching for neighborhood guides. Okay, you feed that info to ChatGPT, which then spits out a 90-day video plan and writes a full relocation guide. Then, Gamma designs that guide in under a minute. And finally, ChatGPT writes the automated follow-up emails for every single person who downloads it. That's a complete campaign, from research to conversion, built in a tiny fraction of the usual time.
Okay, so what's the actual impact of running a system like this? Because it's not just about saving a little time here and there. The results? Well, they are truly game-changing.
So what are the results? Get this, professionals who are actually using these systems are generating 3 times more leads than their peers. That is not a small increase, folks. That fundamentally changes how you can grow your business.
And it's not just about the leads either. It's about getting your time back. We're talking an average of 10 hours saved every single week. I mean, just think for a second about what you could do with an extra 10 hours to focus on what really moves the needle, your clients.
And for what might be the most dreaded task of all, content creation, this system slashes the time you spend by a staggering 80%. What used to take days, writing, designing, all that stuff, can now be done in minutes. It's insane. So look, we've walked through the playbook for real estate, but this whole framework, research, create, convert, this isn't really about one industry, is it? It's a brand new way of working. So the only question left is, what's the playbook for your industry?